Is it sweet, salty, bitter, creamy? Food is a necessity for life. But did you know that over 20% of New Zealand's own grown food is exported to other countries due to higher profit margins? Or that between 1975 and 2012, 9% of New Zealand's horticulture land was converted into other uses such as housing. Probably the most concerning of all, though, is New Zealand's unpredictable weather patterns, which are causing farmers across the country to lose crops by the field. Not only does this mean a decrease of produce available on the market, but an increase of price for us, the consumers. Who can afford an $8 avocado? Today, I'm going to discuss a new horticulture technology which I believe will benefit New Zealand, called vertical farming. Vertical farming is the process of growing produce in an indoor stacked manner rather than horizontally as on traditional farms. They can be built in warehouses, buildings, or even shipping containers. But knowing how to grow plants indoors means learning about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a key process used by all plants to turn energy from the sun into energy the plant can use to function, called glucose. The equation of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water under light equals glucose and oxygen. In vertical farming, photosynthesis is incorporated by using one of two methods, a hydroponic system or an aeroponic system. Neither uses soil. Hydroponics involves growing produce in a water solution supported by a reusable cloth. A water pump circulates a water nutrient solution through the roots of the plants. An aeroponic system is similar. However, the water nutrient solution is instead misted through the roots. Both hydroponics and aeroponics create optimal environments for plants to grow, bar one thing, light. Since vertical farming usually involves growing plants in an indoor environment, technology was needed which replaced the light from the sun. Chlorophyll is a pigment found in every plant and is responsible for absorbing the light from the sun to undergo photosynthesis. It was discovered that produces chlorophyll due to its adaptations only absorbed small variants of blue and red light on the light spectrum. Most commonly, LEDs, or light-emitting diodes, are used in vertical farms because of their ability to adapt to the specific light needs of produce. They can also use less energy and give off less heat than conventional lights. Combining this technology, produce has all the necessary things it needs to grow. But you may be thinking, what is the benefit to New Zealand? Vertical farming has many tangible benefits. Since produce is not reliant on temperature or other factors to grow, produce can be harvested 365 days a year. It also solves another big environmental problem, water usage. It is known that vertical farms use up to 70% less water than traditional farms. And since vertical farming produce is grown indoors, crops are not affected by extreme natural weather events such as droughts or floods, which can be catastrophic to traditional farms. Our food from vertical farms is also fertilizer and pesticide-free, as food is grown in an indoor-controlled environment. This not only reduces our soil contamination, but also makes our food fertilizer-free. Since vertical farming makes use of vertical space, more food is grown per acre than on traditional farms. Now, vertical farming may seem like a waste of energy. Why grow plants indoors when you can grow them for free outdoors? But vertical farms are known to make up their consumed energy by using reusable sources such as wind turbines, biodigesters, and solar panels. But not only does vertical farming have all these environmental and economic benefits, but it also holds an important social benefit. With a constant increased supply of produce available in local markets, price and availability of fresh fruit and vegetables becomes more accessible to lower-income families. Vertical farming, therefore paired with other programs, could both encourage healthy eating and possibly even lower our immense obesity statistics. Now, vertical farming is already proving its success overseas. Eira Farms, an American vertical farming company, has already built 4 functioning farms in unused buildings such as a nightclub, steel mill, and a paintball arena. They're also supporting the local community by providing Eira Farm kits to schools to encourage the growing and eating of healthy food in children. New Zealand should apply vertical farming across the country to provide less of a reliance on international imports, lower produce prices, and better food security. We need to join together to support good, healthy food in New Zealand. Thank you.